Hey everyone, welcome here. Are you seriously looking for Java learning, which is a Java web technologies using generative AI? So nowadays, as you know that most trending concept generative AI tools to learn Java or any other programming language. So here I am explaining you a detailed information regarding Java and Java related web technologies of JSP, Java Servlets and MySQL Apache Tomcat to learn step-by-step process to build a great real-world application. So how it is possible? Yes, step-by-step installation of environment and creating how super easily creating Java JSP and Java Servlets, which is a business logic page, and adding to running like a deploying to Apache Tomcat web server, integrating JDBC drivers to backend. All these are integrated with ChatGPT support. Want to learn more? A curriculum based industry expert real world examples from this course. Find the below description link.